Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. My name is Brittany Shine, and today I'm going to show you how to apply my Rosemary Delight hair growth coconut oil on your hair. Okay, so I have parted my hair in 8 sections. Okay, and I'm ready to moisturize my hair. Okay, my daughter played with my hair yesterday and it kind of just like made my twist outs like more fluffy, and then it just got dry again. So I need to moisturize my hair. So what I have done is made my DIY Rosemary Delight coconut oil. So this is my Rosemary Delight coconut oil, okay? This is mixed with coconut oil and my hair growth oil, okay? Which is infused with rosemary and cloves, dried rosemary and cloves, okay? It is deeply infused with the 2 natural ingredients that's gonna help your hair grow like crazy, okay? So this is the final results after moisturizing my hair with my Rosemary Delight coconut oil. I simply sprayed my hair with water, and then I've applied my coconut oil to my hair. Yes, so now I'm going to show you all a bonus clip since my baby is in here. I'm gonna show you. This is my son Caleb, and I am simply going to moisturize his hair as well, okay? So I'm going to moisturize his hair. His hair is already kind of moisturized a little bit, but actually it is getting more dry. But I did moisturize his hair recently, so that's why it doesn't look super dry. But I do want to add some water and coconut oil to his hair as well, okay? So he's used to it by now, so that's why he's not surprised what I'm doing. And he's like, Mama, what did I get into? You should have came in the bathroom. Okay, so now, got water all over his face. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the Rosemary Delight coconut oil to his hair. This is the actual coconut oil. And so now I'm going to apply it to his hair. Moisturize the back, and as you can see, the back of his hair is growing. I think because he was sweating in the car seat, his hair didn't really grow as fast as it is in the front, and so that's why you see more hair at the top than at the bottom. But I think that is kind of normal for babies. Some babies do have more hair at the top than they do at the bottom, and that's completely fine. But as long as keep it moisturized. All right, so this is the final results after applying the Rosemary Delight coconut oil to his hair. And so it is baby friendly, and it is perfect for all ages and all hair types, okay? So thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight, as I will be posting every Wednesday at 3. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.